Welcome back, folks. So tonight we have a lemon drop. Now I was doing some research and my theme here was what are some cocktails that we could have out on the deck? It's warm out, so I immediately went to some citrus type thoughts and wait a second, I'm thinking about citrus? That sounded weird, but hey, whatever. It's where my mind goes. You don't even want to think about how it gets there. But a lemon drop. And the production staff is shaking their head behind the camera, so you know it's true. So the lemon drop is a simple drink. It tastes really good. It's very refreshing with that lemon in there. So it's a vodka-based drink. Now we chose Absolut vodka. I would say choose a good vodka, but not an expensive vodka. You're going to be covering it over. This is just a regular vodka. You don't need to get something that's whatever, expensive. Lemon drop has lemon juice. This is fresh, fresh squeezed from the production staff earlier. We have Cointreau, a recipe called for triple sec, Cointreau, Naranja, find something orange and with booze in it, okay? And last of all, we've got simple syrup. Our simple syrup is pretty thick. It's 1:1, so 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water. Boil it, cool it down, stick it in a big old jar. So we're actually gonna start at the end. We're gonna start with the glass. So if you've watched my channels, you know I use Visky glasses. This is a coupe glass. That's the glass you're looking for. Doesn't have to be made by Visky, but hey, I like it. Not sponsored. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the rim of the glass and just roll it on a slice of a lemon. And that lemon slice is actually gonna become the garnish a little later. And all we're looking to get is a little bit of that moisture because we're gonna put it into regular white sugar to just barely coat the rim, okay? You'll also pick up a little bit of that lemon inside the sugar. So we're gonna set that off to the side and we're kind of done with this for a sec. Now we'll start building the cocktail. So we start with our vodka. It's 2 ounces of a vodka. Pick your vodka. There's also some really good local vodkas. It's a lot of times when a distillery gets started, they start making vodka and gin and stuff like that to start getting some cash coming in. We're going to use 1/2 ounce of the Cointreau or something orangey. There we go. We're going to use 1 ounce of simple syrup. Now this is something where if you needed to dial it back a little bit, you certainly could not use the whole ounce. Use this one to taste. But the simple syrup balances out the tartness of the lemon, so you taste the lemon without getting the pucker factor. We're also going to use 1 ounce of lemon juice. All right, grab the top here and we're going to shake it up for a sec. That cocktail is cold. You can almost start to see the condensation on the edge of it. So, now if you used fresh lemon juice, you could have some pulp or maybe some seeds or something like that in there that you don't want to put into the cocktail. So this is where you use a fine mesh strainer, so really it will catch all those little bits and pieces. And into the cocktail we go. And I can see in the mesh, you wouldn't be able to see it on the camera, but it's caught some of the pulp that came out of the lemons that we squeezed earlier. So there we go. Now I'm going to take our garnish, which is a lemon wheel, float it on top to finish off the lemon drop. It's a summer cocktail. Let's try it out. All you taste is the lemon. It's really light, got a nice sweetness to it. You do not taste the alcohol whatsoever, which is why probably 15 years ago at a dinner party we served lemon drops and the whole town got trashed. So be careful with this one, folks. They taste good. Cheers, stay safe, and enjoy this one.